If you want to quickly combine separate objects into one in Blender, this tutorial will show you exactly how to join meshes the easy way. This is one of the most useful Blender shortcuts to know, whether you're cleaning up a model, organizing your scene, or preparing geometry for further editing. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, go into the 3D viewport and select the multiple objects you want to combine. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking each object one by one, or by box selecting them if they're close together. Once the objects you want are selected, the next step is very simple. Press Ctrl J on your keyboard. This is the Join command in Blender, and it will merge the selected objects into one single object. This is important because joining objects does not just group them visually, it actually combines them into one editable object in the scene. If you look in the outliner now, you'll see that the objects have been joined together. Now that they are one object, you can press Tab to enter Edit mode. In Edit mode, all of the geometry from the joined meshes is editable together, which means you can move, scale, delete, or adjust parts of the combined model much more easily. This is especially helpful when you want to make cleanup edits after joining separate pieces. If needed, you can press A to select all the geometry, then press M and choose By Distance. This is a very useful optional cleanup step because it removes overlapping vertices after joining. When you join meshes, especially if they were touching or overlapping before, you may end up with duplicate points sitting on top of each other. Using Merge by Distance helps clean that up and makes the mesh more efficient and easier to work with. And that's it. In just a few seconds, you can join multiple objects into one mesh in Blender using Ctrl J. Then clean it up with Merge by Distance if needed. This is a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time when modeling. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Blender tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.